The reputation of Manchester as an excellent place to live is well established. It is renowned for its vibrant music scene, elite sports teams, and unmatched shopping. Additionally, the city boasts a sizable student population and provides an unrivaled college experience. Manchester also has great accommodation options. One of them is Heald Court. Heald Court is a student housing in Manchester that offers en suite rooms in shared flats. Flats come in two styles, classic 5-bed ensuite and gold 3-bed ensuite. All rooms are fully furnished and come with 3/4 double bed, an ensuite bathroom, a study area, a desk and chair, and a wardrobe. As for the shared area, it includes a lounge and kitchen area with a TV. The building comes with many facilities that include all-inclusive bills, a strong Wi-Fi connection, 24/7 CCTV and secure entry system, on-site laundry facilities, and car parking spaces. It also has social areas to hang out with friends. If we talk about distance, the building is just a 15-minute walk to the University of Manchester and a 23-minute walk to Manchester Metropolitan University. Into Manchester is a 17-minute bus ride away. More than 7 bus stations are surrounding the premises. The closest one is Whitworth Park, followed by Ropemaker Court and Playfair Street. Heald Court is situated in a lively neighborhood close to a number of dining options and entertainment options. A short trip will take you to theaters like Contact Theatre as well as restaurants like Mylahore Manchester, Lal Kila Rusholm, and Jaffa. Manchester is one of the cities that constantly buzzes with energy and is brimming with a high level of enthusiasm.